Changing the email link to your Steam account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your username at the top right corner, then select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Change email address. In the Account Details section, look for the Contact Info area. Click on Change My Email Address to initiate the process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address and follow the prompts to confirm the change. Make sure to check your new email for a confirmation message from Steam. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling Steam Guard.